found a corner by the window seat where morning light and daydreams meet. The world outside just gently flows, but here I sit